Question 5.84. Assuming the reaction of the ground to be uniformly distributed and knowing that the allowable normal stress for the steel used is 170 megapascal, select the most economical wide flange beam to support the loading. This is the diagram. Firstly, downward distributed load W equal to 2/1, and we got 2 mn m. Upward distributed reaction, and we got 0.8, and net distributed load area at BC, B and C, 1.2. Firstly, find shear. This is the equation. We got this graph. After that, find area and find bending moment at the whole diagram. For the maximum, we got 0.375 mn. Lastly, we choose the most economical wide flange, and the shape selected is W610 multiplied by 101. This final equation. Question 5.60. Beam AB of length L and square cross section of side A is supported by a pivot at C and landed as shown. Question A. Check that the beam is equilibrium. Question B. Show that the maximum stress due to bending occur at C and is equal to W0 L square. This is the figure. Firstly, replace distributed load by equivalent concentrated load at the centroid of the area at the load diagram. After that, for triangle, distribute the centroid lies at x equal to 2L/3. Find sum of Fx and moment. After that, find V0, M equal to 0 at x equal to 0. We got this graph. Continue the work. dV dx equal to negative W equal to negative W0 x over L. Continue by dm over dx equal to V equal to negative V0 x square over 2L plus C1. We got this answer. Continue the calculation, and we got negative W0 x3 over 6L. Just to the left of C, V equal to this equation, and we got negative 2/9 W0 L. Just to the right of C, V equal to negative 2/9 W0 L plus R0, and we got 5/18 W0 L. After that, for square cross section, R equal to 1/12 A power of 4 and C equal to 1/2A. And we got this for final answer.